bottom.
You guys want to wipe the rubber down?
We can.
Are you good with it?
Or are you cool with it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Don't have a lot of
And
release powder on it.
it's not bad at all.
Probably didn't
Okay,
have
so we need
release
to
powder
have it
back in
this way.
1960.
The fact that it's
Where's the red rubber grease? Quick.
Sitting on the tray right
get
there.
get somebody.
They will need that. But for the other part, this part should be good.
All right, here we go.
That was a success.
Grant and Scotty on the job.
I guess we could have left the windshield wipers on there, huh?
Yeah, it's fine. That one we gotta fix anyway.
Yeah, that should be fun.
That will be a fucking hoot. I already know.
I have to look in the manual to see what it's supposed to be. Because I wonder if the other one, it seems weird they would have screwed them back in those days.
Yeah, they seem to should have been
Take
like,
all the time you need,
pressed
brother.
on.
8 different things, put them in squares, and find out how to
Except it leaked everywhere.
Right.
Well, it came out really easy, dude.
Yeah.
Like, Chris and I pulled that out of there in 2 seconds.
Like if you're driving on the road to hit something, it would have probably come out.
Oh no!
it was spurs.
Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. It's just,
They need to just wear goggles when you
This is
drive.
what we
They'll
Soft
bubble,
with camel.
they'll bubble goggles. Yeah. Take this up with camel.
It makes it smell nice and orangey.
Easy to haul that around.
you guys are good at that.
Putting rubbers on.
I've been doing it for years.
Sorry, just walked in there.
Oh my
Wick,
god.
if you're gonna toss them slow over the plate, I'm gonna fucking hit them, alright?
That was totally lobbed right over home.
Yeah.
Bink!
And they won't. This is what drives me nuts about these companies is that if I wanted to do
Ooh,
this
product reviews with Allie. Let's go.
So, what makes me crazy about these companies?
Dear Gugon, listen to Allie.
If I wanted to marry that bottle with this bottle, they won't allow you to do it because they don't want you refilling. So everybody complains that there's too much plastic in our landfills and whatnot. But
we're
why?
doing this dumb
yeah, why
shit.
are we doing this?
Dear Gugon, I'm going to tag you in this video, and you can answer our question.
You guys should make it where you can open it so we can reuse the bottles and,
Well, they don't want you taking shots of Gugon.
and marry the products. Well, I mean,
I mean, technically, you could just stab a
who's
hole in
gonna
it.
drink it? That's gross.
For enough money, I mean.
Don't ask that question, someone
I'm
has.
sure. I'm
Did
sure.
you ever wonder why there's a label on the lawnmowers that says do not use the wood?
Pick it up and trim the hedges with it. while it's
Someone
on?
trimmed their hedges with it, sued, and won.
There's actually a really good video of a guy doing it without.
Oh, that's on our
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah.
He actually took it up on a John Deere
Yeah.
on the front, you know, with a bucket, and he
Yes.
just went to town. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a good
but
idea.
He did not have it in his hand when it was ready.
Look at you guys.
There we go. There we go.
Look at that.
There we go.
Very true.
They got it.
Look at you guys.
Woo!
Let's just walk it.
All right, now
Thank
this
you.
is gonna be- and this is
Remember to tip your dealer.
And red rubber goose.
Thicker than the old one.
Need the red rubber lube.
Probably wasn't thicker than the old one initially, but the old one was good.
Is that a crack in there?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's 2 cracks in that glass.
Yeah.
But finding one's gonna be not happening.
Go figure, how many men does it take to put on a rubber?
2. We just watched.
At least 2.
One to hold the rim and one to put...
Wait a minute. My videos have gotten more inappropriate since Scotty joined.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, darn! All right, what's the next plan, gang?
Okay, we need to grease the channel.
You gotta lube it up before you stick it in?
We gotta grease the channel really, really good.
Scotty,
Put the twine in going around on the inside.
Scotty, did you just basically say you're gonna lube it up before you stick
I'm
it
gonna
in?
lube it up and then I'm gonna tie it up.
Oh, you freaky bitch.
So we need to lube the channel, run the twine in,
Yes, sir.
best bet is to always start at a corner.
Start in the
You
corner.
can kind of walk it in.
It
Yes,
starts a non-fucked up corner. Okay, so the lube and the twine is over there. We need lube and twine. Grant's got this.
Could be the name of the restaurant.
Lube and twine.
Hey, yeah.
There's the trust of twine.
Go figure it. It's already red. Somebody.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I know, right?
God. Deep.
Yeah, you don't want to know. No.
Way deep.
So deep. It.
Wait a minute. Wick, are you laughing about?
That was a good catch, by the way.
Yes. My athleticism is showing.
Put that back in your pants.
It's very small. You can't
Go
see it.
for it. I'd have been really.
Hey, look. Look.
Not on the glass.
Look.
Oh, he's got QCs on.
QC's.
Yeah. I didn't wear mine
Flip
today.
flops.
That's a nice pair. I like that pair.
I got bootses.
They're not QCs. They're Swiss made.
Outdoor shoes.
Those are good. They're good for shop.
So when I get old like I am now, I don't have to pay.
100%.
I have a couple pairs of Nikes that I like that I don't want to get rid of and I wore out.
Yeah, I'll wear